How to find Windows Credential Manager in Windows. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Control Panel on your device. Then click on View By at the top right corner of your screen where there is Category. Here, you'll find 3 options or 2 options. Click on Large Icons. After you've clicked on large icons, in here you'll find Credential Manager at the top right corner of your screen. Click on it. After you've clicked on it, you will find 2 of the credentials, which is Web Credentials and Windows Credential. You can simply click on it and it will lead you to Windows Credential Manager. And this is how to find Windows Credential Manager in Windows. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.